Shocking confessions made by Rishi Kapoor. Veteran Bollywood actor Rishi Kapoor has left us too soon on 30th of April 2020. Bollywood is mourning his death, and it's a great loss for Indian cinema too. Rishi Kapoor had written an autobiography and named it Khullam Khulla, Rishi Kapoor Uncensored. In his autobiography, Rishi Kapoor made several shocking confessions that has raised many eyebrows. Let's have a look at those shocking confessions made by the late actor. In his autobiography, Rishi Kapoor wrote about his father Raj Kapoor's extramarital affairs with Nargis and Vaijayanti Mala. The actor revealed that he was not at all affected by his father's extramarital affair with Nargis, as he was too little to understand. Rishi Kapoor wrote that it was too much for his mother to take Raj Kapoor's affair with Vaijayanti Mala, and she moved out from the house with her children. The amazing actor candidly wrote that he intentionally bought the Best Actor award for his movie Bobby. The actual award rightfully belonged to none other than Amitabh Bachchan for his movie Zanjeer, but Rishi Kapoor bought it for 30,000. He also added that his first love and first girlfriend was a Parsi girl named Yasmin. His relationship with Yasmin started even before his debut. But when the rumors of Rishi Kapoor and Dimple Kapadia started doing rounds, Rishi Kapoor's relationship with Yasmin got ended. The actor wrote that Yasmin Mehta gifted him a ring which had a peace sign on it. Rishi Kapoor used to wear it. When he was shooting for Dimple Kapadia, the actress saw the ring, and as she liked the ring, she chose to keep it. But when Dimple Kapadia was proposed by Rajesh Khanna, he saw the ring and took it out and threw it into the sea near Juhu. Rishi Kapoor also added that he was not even infatuated by Dimple Kapadia and they never dated each other. Rishi Kapoor also blamed Amitabh Bachchan as it was Big B's fame, because of which other stars were not able to get lead roles in movies. When he was having a shining career at Bollywood, he used to choose and buy his clothes himself for movies. Once he mistakenly bought a woman's pants at Beirut for his costume, which he really liked while shooting the movie Zehrila Insan. Rishi Kapoor had also rough patches in his shining career. There was a time when his movies were not working well. The great actor who had anger issues gave all the blames of his movie's failures on Neetu Kapoor, who was then pregnant with Ridhima. But during the last years of the actor, when he found Neetu beside him like a shadow, he realized his mistake and regretted those things. The veteran actor also admitted that he never wanted to do a movie where his role had less importance than Neetu Kapoor's. So he wanted to reject the movie because of Amitabh's presence in the movie, and also because Neetu Kapoor had amazing character. He almost denied the movie, but later he had to do it because he was the only good actor. The actor candidly also confessed that his wife felt threatened when he did Sagar along with his co-star Dimple Kapadia. Neetu Kapoor felt threatened as Dimple Kapadia was Rishi Kapoor's ex-girlfriend and she never wanted her marriage with Rishi Kapoor to end. The actor also confessed that he never liked the songs of his own movies. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.